these are some historically difficult times right now where 42 million people are unemployed, and implementing a stay-at-home order is something that, while effective, and we saw how effective it was mathematically, it's a measure of last resort.
Miami's mayor keeping a close eye on the recent COVID-19 numbers after an increase since reopening.
That's right, but it seems for now businesses out there will remain open. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm JAWAN STRADER.
And I'm Jackie Nesbro. Tonight we have team coverage on the ongoing pandemic, the new concerns, plus a look at who's violating restrictions. We begin with NBC6 reporter Arlene Borenstein live in Coconut Grove. Arlene?
Jackie, JAWAN, yes, that's right. Phase 3 will not go on as planned. The mayors of Miami and Miami Beach telling us that means nightclubs and bars and big sporting venues will not reopen. And they say they are monitoring this rise in coronavirus cases because if it continues to go up, they may have to take other serious measures.
The slope of the increase is approximately 13 new cases per day.
That's just one factor Miami Mayor Francis Suarez says creates concern. Here is another.
We're also seeing a slight increase in what is the percentage of positive cases. That increases 0.11% per day.
The numbers released following a meeting with the Department of Health Monday, leading Mayor Suarez and Miami Beach Mayor Dan Gelber to take action.
We will not be going into phase 3 at this moment. Although we're not going into phase 3 right now, we're not going to be announcing any sort of rollbacks, nor will we be announcing an implementation or re-implementation of a stay-at-home order.
This means nightclubs, bars, and venues that cater to larger gatherings will not reopen as expected in both Miami and Miami Beach.
The all-clear sign has not been given simply since we're reopening. In fact, the only way we are reopening and the only reason we can reopen is because we did, I think, conscientiously follow all of these various measures.
Both mayors say the community must continue to follow guidelines like social distancing, washing hands frequently, and wearing masks.
We can't misread the message of a loosening of the economy as a message it's an all clear.
And Mayor Suarez tells us the majority of the cases are people 18 to 35. And of course, the Memorial Day holiday is at play along with the recent protests. We'll, of course, monitor these rising numbers as this story continues. Reporting live in Coconut Grove, Arlene Borenstein, NBC6 News.
Arlene.